Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I got this kind of part of this idea from my math guru. When you want to draw something symmetrical, this is pretty cool and pretty fun. I'm going to hold down the control button and get a perfect square. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. Then I'm going to take the 3-point line or anything, and I'm actually going to go from that corner to that corner, and then I'm going to purposely not have it in the center. You could have it in the center, but well, let's do this one in the center. I offset that one. Now let's go and take the twirl tool or anything, and we'll grab like on this side of the twirl, and we'll twirl it just a little bit. Now to draw it symmetrical, take that line and Control D and make a duplicate. Double click on the object and get your center rotation to the center, and it is, and then rotate it 90 degrees. Control D, 180 degrees, Control D. And you made that shape. Now, by chance, this might leak, but it didn't. If it ever leaks, because you kind of pulled that line when you stretched it, but you've made something completely, I like my first one better, but, and another thing, I was just thinking, I hadn't thought about this, but this would be a way to do something that would be pretty cool. Let's take this first one, and let's grab, and see if you see what I did there. I grabbed the rectangle. I don't want the rectangle, I just want that, so I'll go outside the rectangle, and I've actually moved my box a little bit. So I'm gonna hit P, yep, see how the box moved? And I'll just redraw that line to make it easy. And in this case, you could actually go outside the box. We'll go ahead and use the 3-point curve again. Let's go now let's go here. And let's put a little twist to it. You probably don't want to put the twirl too much or on one corner. But what we're going to do different now is take this shape and go up to edit and clone it. And then rotate it, put it the center rotation, always make sure it's there. And let's rotate it 90 degrees. And then we can go Control D. By putting that off, I've kind of messed up the drawing. 180, 180, Control D. Now what is kind of cool about this, you could go, okay, I like that shape. Let me nudge it out of the way. But let's change the shape a little bit. Well, because this is a clone, we can take the shape tool and we can actually do this, and look what happens. All the other objects follow along. We could take that twist completely out. We could add a little, anything. You could add a node and actually twist it and get a completely different look. And you kind of get to see what it looks like before you do anything. And then you could just keep, if you had to make random shapes, this would be a great way to do it. Let's take this one and move it up here a little bit. Look at that. So we've made a whole different shape just by moving one line. It's pretty cool. The clone tool is very usable, very helpful. Look at this. Let's twist this a little bit. And look at it, they all get a twist. Let's twist the opposite direction on this and actually make it a little bit smaller, go like 3. And just click on that line and twist it. And now look at our shape. I'm not going to ever say you're going to draw that. Almost looks like a paint splatter. Anyway, I hope that helps a little bit. Something fun kind of project. Thank you for watching.